The Alameda County Fairground taking on a new role in the fight against COVID-19. Chopper 5 flew over as crews were setting up for a new testing site. KPIX5's Juliette Goodrich is live in Pleasanton. And Jules, this time of year, you'd be at the fairgrounds for a very different kind of story.
That's right. I would be here reporting on the plans for opening the Alameda County Fair. You're exactly right. And this is what they do this time of year. They're getting the vendors ready and the rides and all of that. Well, that's on hold for now. Today and the next 4 weeks, this is now the site of testing for COVID-19. It's not unusual to see a long line of cars entering the fairgrounds during the opening of the fair. But this line of cars is a sign of our times now, a drive-through testing site for COVID-19. Pleasanton resident Sabrina Hankins showed up today for testing.
I guess just to kind of, know that I'm okay.
Where does Alameda County stand right now?
Yeah, Alameda County has done a fantastic job.
Rick Shumway is president and CEO of Stanford Healthcare Valley Care.
Both from a public health perspective, but also from a compliance standpoint around shelter in place and otherwise. And so I think we're very fortunate that we've certainly seen the same types of trends and the flattening of the curve in Alameda County.
The testing is happening over the next 4 weeks as long as supplies last. And by 1 p.m. and 300 test kits later, they had to close up shop for the day. While Sabrina came here for testing, she's usually here working during the fair.
Vendors would be coming in, setting up their booth. They set up like the garden area. Definitely you would start seeing the rides.
Which begs the question, will there be a fair?
The question, right? That the $1 million, what do we call it? The $6 million question.
Angel Moore is Vice President Business Development at the Alameda County Fair.
We are monitoring, county and state mandates just like everybody else. The fair is what we do. It's our Super Bowl. It's why we're here. It's our mission.
So we don't have the exact answer to that question. I don't think anyone does right now. We do know that every Friday is Fair Food Friday if you're craving fair food. As for testing, that'll start back up tomorrow at 9 a.m. It will go for the next 4 weeks. You don't need a doctor's note, and you should have your results in within the next 72 hours. In Pleasanton, Juliette Goodrich, KPIX 5.